Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to look at How Bad Do You Want Me by Lady Gaga from Mayhem. We'll look at the chords we need for a certain section, and then we'll put those chords into the pattern for that section, going from the verse to the chorus and whatever else we may need. Let's get right into it. The first chord we need is A flat major. A flat, C, E flat, that's A flat major. And we will be playing these chords in block formation, as well as broken formation, meaning one note at a time. And that's how we'll get that nice arpeggiated sound, right? If I start with my left hand with the low A flat, I can get this pattern. I then apply that to the next chord, D flat major. D flat, F, A flat. That's my D flat major chord. Next chord of the song, D flat, F, A flat. There it is in block formation. And then we can have it in broken formation, so we can get that left hand D flat. Right? That arpeggiation that makes the song what it is. The next chord we need is an F minor, all right? We'll give that F, A flat, C. F minor on F, A flat, C. Right? And then we will go back to D flat. We already know that one. D flat, F, A flat. Yep, that'll be our fourth chord. And then the final chord, going up to E flat major. E flat, G, B flat, E flat major, E flat, G, B flat. If I had my left hand E flats, the whole pattern restarts on A flat. D flat, F minor, we use those same chords in just a different order for the chorus. We start on the D flat major for the chorus, D flat major for a whole measure, E flat major for a whole measure, A flat major for a whole measure. These are all the same chords, nothing new. F minor, right, for a whole measure, F, A flat, C. And then we have that same little last two chord walk up from D flat to E flat. Yeah. And it just keeps going. You got it. It's just a 4-chord chorus. From D flat to E flat to A flat to F minor. It repeats a second time. To A flat, let's add some rhythm. Ready. How bad do you want me? Yeah. The bridge is all the same chords, but once again, a slightly different pattern. We start on that A flat for 2 measures, then the F minor for 2 measures, then the D flat, then the E flat, back to the F minor for the spoken part, da 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 da, goes back to the chorus on D flat. And that's all the sections of the song. Put them together, and you have Lady Gaga's How Bad Do You Want Me masterpiece. Go back through this. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes better. Thanks for playing with me today. Check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Play on.